Jai Swaminarayan students. Thought for the day is, when you know better, you do better. Children, today we are continuing with part 3 of lesson number 2, that is inserting charts and pictures in Excel. Okay, before starting the part 3, let us just recall what all things we studied till now. Here we studied the types of charts, right? Like column chart, line chart, bar chart, area chart, scatter chart, pie chart. We even saw some working with charts, that is how to create a chart, how to change the chart type. We even saw chart tools and some chart tools like switching rows and columns in chart, adding or deleting and editing chart title, legend position, data labels and formatting chart title. Today we are starting with formatting chart area. How will you format the chart area? It is similar to formatting a chart title. First of all, you will select the chart, right? Then you will go to format tab. In formatting chart title, you are going to layout tab, but here you will go to format tab. After going to format tab, right, from the current selection group, you will select chart area. As soon as you will select chart area, the screen with the window which you are seeing on the screen will appear. Here, select the particular option which you want and then click on close, and your chart area will be formatted. Inserting pictures. Okay, how will you insert picture? Now we want to insert, so we'll go to the insert tab. From there you can see on the screen, in the insert tab, click on pictures. As soon as you'll click on pictures, this window will open. From here, select the picture whatever you want. As soon as you'll select, click on insert. You can double click on picture or else just select the picture and click on insert. As soon as you'll click on insert, see, the picture will be inserted on your screen in your document. Next, now if I want the sheet background, right, here I just added a photo, but I want the photo in the background. So what I'll do in that, see, for that I'll select the page layout tab. See, as you can see on the screen, page layout tab. Then you will click on background option. Again the same process, the same window will open. Select the picture which you want in the background and click open. See, here your picture is in background. There it was just the image inserted below the table. Next is goal seek. Now goal seek, what is goal seek? It is a powerful tool used for what if analysis. When a formula or function is created in Excel, various parts are put together to calculate a result, right? So goal seek works in the opposite way. It starts with the desired result and calculates the input value that is needed for the result, right? In Excel sheet we use some formulas. Formulas से हम लोग क्या करते हैं, एक रिजल्ट फाइंड करते हैं. ये गोल सीक उसका उल्टा काम करेगा. रिजल्ट पे से इनपुट वैल्यू या इनपुट डेटा आपको फाइंड करके देगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, लेट अस अज्यूम दैट करंटली a person has an average score of 65 in maths and he needs at least 70 to participate in some maths quiz. Now he has one final assignment to be completed to raise his average. Now here the goal seek feature can be used to find out the required grade to be obtained on the final assignment to participate in that maths quiz, right? So let us see the steps to apply the goal seek feature based on the above example. Let us see the example which we saw. For that, what you will do? You will select the data. Suppose see I have written the data in the sheet, right? I'll select the data first, right? That is the cell B till the cell B7, right? Now click on what if analysis option from the data tools. Then I'll select the goal seek option. Then I'll click on OK. As soon as I'll click on OK, what will happen? The goal seek will appear over there, right? Grouping and ungrouping worksheets. Okay. In Excel, we can work with each worksheet in a workbook individually or work with multiple worksheets at the same time. Now, worksheet, what are worksheets? Before you start, as soon as you start any Excel, when you open an Excel document, so you can see down sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3, right? By default, those are called your worksheets. Correct? Okay, here in the screen which you are able to see, that worksheet is renamed. You can rename the worksheet. Sheet 1 लिखा होता है, वहाँ पे आप राइट क्लिक करेंगे. राइट क्लिक करने के बाद यू विल चूज द रीनेम ऑप्शन. रीनेम का ऑप्शन आता है. यू कैन रीनेम द शीट 1. हियर द शीट 1 इज रीनेम्ड एज ज्योमेट्री क्लास. शीट 2 is renamed as party budget, right? So here worksheets can be combined into a group. Any changes made to one worksheet in a group will be made to every other worksheets in the other group. Let us see the steps to group the worksheet. First of all, how will you group? Okay, grouping, that means suppose यहाँ पे 3 worksheets है, right? 3 को अगर मैं ग्रुप कर दूँ तो क्या होगा मालूम है? अगर कोई भी एक वर्कशीट में कुछ चेंज किया ना तो बाकी सब में भी ऑटोमेटिकली चेंज हो जाएगा. वाई? बिकॉज दे आर ग्रुप्ड, दे आर टुगेदर. सो फॉर दैट व्हाट यू विल डू, फर्स्ट you will select all the desired worksheets which you want in the group. Then you will press and hold the control key on the keyboard. कीबोर्ड पे कंट्रोल की को प्रेस करके रखना है, राइट? उसके बाद और कौन सी वर्कशीट चाहिए, राइट? सपोज ज्योमेट्री क्लास और हिस्ट्री क्लास को मुझे ग्रुप करना है, तो व्हाट आई डू, आई विल सिलेक्ट द ज्योमेट्री क्लास फर्स्ट. उसके बाद I'll continue pressing the control key from the keyboard and then I'll click on history class, right? Same as मुझे जितने भी वर्कशीट चाहिए उतने मैं सिलेक्ट करती जाऊंगी कंट्रोल की प्रेस रख के. आफ्टर दैट I'll release the control key and सिर्फ कंट्रोल की रिलीज कर दूंगी तो all those worksheet which I had selected by pressing the control key, they will be grouped now, right? Then now the worksheet tabs appear white for the group sheets. जो भी ग्रुप शीट्स हुई है उसका white होगा. देखो यहाँ पे ये पार्टी बजट ब्लू कलर का है बट द अदर बोथ आर white in color. Why? Because they are grouped now, right? Now steps to ungroup the worksheets. What you will do, first of all you will right click on any one of the grouped worksheet. सपोज हिस्ट्री क्लास और ज्योमेट्री क्लास ये दोनों ग्रुप किया था तो दोनों में से कोई भी एक के ऊपर राइट क्लिक कर दूंगी एंड आफ्टर राइट क्लिकिंग यू कैन सी द लास्ट ऑप्शन दैट इज अनग्रुप शीट्स. अनग्रुप शीट्स के ऊपर क्लिक करूंगी तो शीट्स विल बी अनग्रुप्ड नाउ. अंडरस्टूड? That was all for this lesson, children. We'll continue with exercise part in the next session. Jai Swaminarayan.